Hey, how are ya? My name's Jess of Jess Loves Toast Crochet, and I am coming on YouTube because I've always wanted to. I've always wanted to make YouTube videos. I watch so many people's YouTube videos. I love Passionate Kelsey and Cinnamon Stitches and Bag a Day Crochet, and well, I decided for the first time that I was going to turn my hobby of crochet that I've had for 20 years into something more. And sadly, I'm preparing for my first market. Not sadly, I'm really excited, but I gave myself some tendinitis, so thought it would be a good time to maybe try to make some videos for you all and see what it's like to make some videos for YouTube. So join me on this journey of me just sharing a bunch of stuff and yarn and you know, like most everybody else, I love to play Switch. I love to read books. I like to be cozy. I have a cat. I'm getting another cat. They're Siberians. I'll show you them. So if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. I'd love you to be here. Literally have no subscribers. But I've never ordered from Premier Yarns. So let's get into it. Do people want to see yarn? That's what I thought. This is just tweed. It's just tweed, okay? I promise there's more exciting things. Don't leave. This is just a gray tweed, and I'll show you what it's for. I haven't really looked at this yet, as you can see. And there's another gray tweed. But they were giving this stuff away the other day. This 3-pack of Serenity Chunky, which I've heard is awesome from Cinnamon Stitches, and it is, was $6 for 3. So I have been making a chunky crochet blanket by, oh, what's her name? Something in Peter. I'll link it. But I've been making them. They come up really quick, and they're not hard on my shoulder right now because they use a really big 15mm wooden hook. So I've been doing that, but wow. Guys, can you see that glitter? Pixie Dust Brights. Hold on, I think I need to fix the camera setting. That's better. I was in cinematic. You live, you learn. Okay, first video. Forgive me. Pixie Dust Brights. Anyway, I'm preparing for a Halloween market. I live in Rhode Island, the tiniest state, and I'm just gonna move this over here. Here we go. We have like a little parade in the fall, and I'm hopefully getting into their market. I got this color as well. I thought I could make like little glittery pumpkins out of this. That's why I got this green, which looked more green online, but now it's like teal. But I think it still looks really cute with, cute? Yeah? Pumpkins? Like little glittery pumpkins. I am new to amigurumi. I swore I would never do it. But then I made one of those chubby cats. Now I'm hooked. And I want to make pumpkins and ghosts, so whatever. Anyway, oh, okay, so this will make sense now. The tweed I showed you before is for a blanket for my husband. A reading blanket. He reads like fantasy. That's his bookshelf. All those chunky books, yeah. So anyway, I got this beautiful color. It's called Fall by Canyon Colors. And I'm gonna make him a chunky blanket with this mixed with the gray tweed. This was too expensive to do the whole thing, and it would probably be too colorful for him. I like color. I love color. So that'll explain my choices for a blanket. Oh my god, look at these. Look at them! Oh my god. This is the Serenity Chunky Candy, and I can't tell you how much I wanted this. I have had this thumbnailed forever. And then I got the Serenity tweed and like this brown that has like colored bits. just to like break it up. So I'm gonna do like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? Right. Okay. Let me know if you want to see it once my shoulder is better. Okay, not too much more. I got this. I've never used this. What is this? I'm sorry. I'm ridiculous. I think you mix this booth yarn and it makes it like look prettier. I'm making witch hats. So I thought it would be cool with some of my board, like, I'm kind of working on it right now, but it's too pointy. Is it too pointy? Anyway, that yarn's from Michael's. I don't remember what it's called. See, this is what I'm going to be bad at. That part. Rossetti Cotton Gold. So anyway, I just thought this would be fun, like mixed in. I have some like brown yarn and, you know. Okay. I really wanted to try this. I thought it was so much tinier, but it's huge. It's so pretty. Look at those blues, and then it has like a brown mixed in. Right. Now I'm mad I didn't get two. But like, what should I do with this? What should I do with? I don't know. I got these. I have a ton of Christmas yarn from last year, but I don't have anything like this. Look at this. Peppermint shimmer. I love peppermint. I know. It's either peppermint or not peppermint. I love peppermint. I'm a peppermint person. So this is Premier Basic. I've never felt this before, so it's also why I want to order one, because I love Red Heart has certain places. Okay, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave. I make cup koozies, and let me tell you, that keeps your drink cold, because it's like plastic. But I love Big Twist. I love me some Big Twist. But I've heard this is even nicer. I have to be honest, I think Big Twist is softer, but this is squishier. Do you know what I mean? I'm doing, oh my God, I didn't even know I did this. When Bag O' Day Crochet does this, I'm like, but I do it, I guess I do it too. Okay. She looks way classier when she does it. This is why I ordered. So there is this yarn, and TL Yarncraft actually just made a video about an awesome granny blanket that she came out with that I might actually make with this. But she sometimes talks about this yarn called Wizard, and it's by some Italian company that starts with a B. $24.99 a skein. I mean, if my husband's watching, Christmas, or just, hey. But I bought this because it's the closest thing I've ever seen to it, and it's called Momenti. I don't know why everything's backwards. Read it this way. My mom's calling. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So anyway, I think I was saying Wizard. I really want Wizard yarn. This looks super similar. I just love the color changes on here. So, and for some reason, they had the 3-pack on sale for $16, so I was planning on ordering, and then I saw like a banner on the website, and it was like big sale in 2 days, and on their Instagram, so I was like, let me wait. I mean, I doubt they'll be like, it was $12 for 3, and then so I figured, because girl math, that I should just get the other color I really want. So this one is Meadow, and the other one I showed you is Seashell. But they're, look at them, they're so pretty. Look at how pretty they are. I think they'd even look cool together, like in that sweater. It's a medium 4-weight, 58% cotton, 42% acrylic. And the thing I think this will be nice for me for a wearable is, I don't love cotton, it's too stiff. but my skin doesn't love acrylic. I have a form of eczema called middle-aged, man. I have a form of eczema, pressure urticaria, that's what it's called. So like when something touches my skin and my skin doesn't like it, I get hives. It's so fun. It's new. So fun. Anyway, so that was my premiere yarn haul, my first one. Let me know if you'd like to see more. I have lots of yarn. Too much yarn. There are worse problems. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. I'm also on Instagram as Jess Loves Toast Crochet and TikTok as Jess Loves Toast Crochet, trying to get more followers so I can do some lives. I think that would be fun. But thanks for spending some time with me and have a good day. I'm back. I hadn't bothered my local Joann store manager yet today, so I went to Joann because oh gosh. Well, I bought more yarn, so I'll show you tomorrow, and I bought a ring light, so am I using it right? Is this better? Bye.